First bit of jewellery of the day, a little tiny watch.
There we go. Hewlett Packard laptop. Right, what we got here? What's that? Bottle caps. Ooh. Pocket watch. I'm going to do this one. Mark, you might be onto a good one here, because this is a Mikel. Let's get this right. Herbelin, Paris. These can range from hundreds to thousands. These. This pocket watch that I pulled up, it doesn't have. I've not been able to get into that part yet to see the mechanism, to see what make it is, but it does have a little stamp on there. But what I have noticed is it does have little engravings all the way around. So these are the service engravings. So there's 1, 2, 3, and it looks like there's a signature somewhere. Can't really zoom in on here. I'll try and get some pictures up of that, but yeah, it'd be cool to know what make that is. Definitely have a look at that one. And there you go, Hewlett Packard laptop. Just got a few model numbers there, but we'll have a look at that, see what we can find.